want to tell you the best journey of my life. I think this is the time to let the adventure begin. I understand the meaning of her words now. A journey is about connection, interaction, mutual respect. It's about each other. Not only about receiving, but also about giving. Now I need to find it. I've had the best shower of my life. Explore the most tranquil forest that make me hear my own heartbeat. Every single thing of this place make my heart tied up with love.